You, you, and you all are fired. And you are getting promoted. Can you explain me how did you get promoted?
Simple, because I've been using ChatGPT and other AI tools, I'm being able to do all of that work single-handedly.
And who taught you all this?
This guy.
Sometimes people provide so much longer prompt that it's entirely not necessary. You think that my prompt is so much longer, I'm providing each minute little details, and AI will generate an image or give me the answer in response accordingly. But that is not the case. Let me tell you that yes, the longer prompt is entirely not necessary. Many things from your prompt is not getting recognized or it's not considered by the AI models. But how to know that whether my prompt is good or not, whatever I have provided as a prompt is considered by these AI models or not? There is a method, there is a parameter in MidJourney, that is image generation platform, in which you can know that whatever the prompt you are providing, whether it is considered by the MidJourney or not. For example, let us try just a random prompt. For example, let's consider this prompt. I will just copy and here I will type. Now, instead typing /imagine for generation of images in MidJourney, if someone is familiar with MidJourney, they will able to know that for creation of an image, you need to provide /imagine. So instead of /imagine, you can write shorten and hit enter. Now I will paste the prompt and I will hit enter. So what it will do, it will shorten the prompt. See, important tokens are only this much without strike through. So create a photorealistic email icon inspired by the rocket image. Now something is in bold. See, now photorealistic email icon inspired by the rocket image by provided. So rocket and provided are in bold. Envelope is in bold. White, blue, black. Again, envelope is in bold. So you can say that these words are more emphasized by MidJourney, and those words who are strike through, like adopt, same style, then to, of million, trailing, white streak, of smoke, these words are entirely not necessary. Now, before moving forward, let me tell you that if you want to join our AI workshop at a reasonable amount, click the link given in the below description. Let us just try some other prompts that are being provided by people, or let us just search the prompts. For example, football. By the way, you can search whatever you want to search, and the result in form of images, like whatever you search, if that words or the phrase comes in any prompts provided by people, it will be reflected over here as a result. Now this is okay, so this is little bit moderate prompt, but though let me just copy it and again let me shorten the prompt. So yeah, again, some words are strike through, some are bold, and other are regular. So the words that are highlighted in the other words, the words that are bold, they are more emphasized by MidJourney, and the words that are strike through, they are entirely not necessary. What does it mean? If you include that word in the prompt or you don't include, it doesn't matter. It has already provided some shortened prompts. You can provide these 5 prompts, and that instead of this prompt, you can provide any of these prompts. So people are providing so much longer prompts which are entirely not necessary. And that happens in artistic images. See the longer prompts. So it is so longer prompt, a digital illustration highlighting the intricacies of a social media marketing medium, blah, blah, blah. So let me just copy the prompt and let us see how much short the same prompt can be. Let us just hit enter. See, so many words are unnecessary. Many of the words, in fact, some of the entire lines are strike through. So it is entirely not necessary. And this short the prompt can be. I hope that you will not type so much longer prompts in future. Please do like, comment, share the video and subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos. Thank you.